Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how you can make these really pretty Christmas ornaments. So the first thing that you're going to need to do is grab yourself a floral foam block. You're also going to need a fork and or a popsicle, and you're going to go ahead and place that down into the block. You're also going to need some Dixie cups as well as some ready mixed, ready to pour acrylic paint. That I got from Michael's. So go ahead and grab your Christmas ornament and take the top off of the ornament and slide it onto the fork and or popsicle stick. It should look like this when it is ready to go. Once you've done that, you're going to go ahead and take your Dixie cup and take the two colors that you'd like to use. Now take whatever base color you'd like and go ahead and pour a generous amount into the bottom of the Dixie cup. Here I'm just going to start with my blue. And it is important to make sure you pour enough of the paint into the bottom. So go ahead and start with your base and then layer your second color of choice. Here mine is white on top of that. And you're just going to go ahead and repeat this process over and over again until you have a few layers. I would say probably 4 or 5 layers between the two different colors. So once you have all your layers complete, you're going to go ahead and take your paint and your ornament and you're going to slowly pour your paint in a circular motion on top of your Christmas ornament, like so. Now you're just going to let your paint run all the way down your Christmas ornament. It's going to make a mess, but I promise it's going to be pretty. So once the paint is completely run over it, it's going to look like this. We're just going to go ahead and let that dry. But when you're doing the painting, make sure you have enough paint in your cup to completely cover the ornament and run down it. Even if it does make a big mess, more paint is better than less paint. Because if you don't have a lot of paint, your ornament's going to look more like
this one here, which as you can see, it's still pretty cool and it looks different in its own way, but it does have some gaps here at the top.
But when you have enough paint for it to fully run down, this is how it turns out. Really, really pretty. And here I'm just going to go ahead and do the exact same process, but using red and white this time. And later on, you'll see me do it again using a darker color blue as well as white. And I'm just showing you again the process to show you how you just pour it over in a circular motion and let it run down completely over the ornament. And here it is, the finished product of the 3 ornaments that you just watched me pour. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you so much for watching and have a Merry Christmas.